I'm impressed. Okay.
That was a complete guess. Seriously, because I have nothing to do with medicine.
All right, guys, we are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. We are here today at the Culver City Steps. We got a lot of health-conscious people walking up and down these steps. So let's see how much they know about health and if we can pass out some money today. All right, man, what is your name and where are you from?
I'm from Guatemala and my name is Dilma.
Yeah, Victor, and from Philadelphia.
I'm Court. I'm also from Philly.
Do from Philly as well.
My name is Layla and I'm from Dallas, Texas.
Philly fans. You guys Sixers fans?
Oh, yeah.
So are you guys Cowboys fans at all?
I'm not.
Question number 1. Where does the bile from your liver stop before it goes into the small intestine? Is it A, pancreas, B, appendix, or C, gallbladder?
Gallbladder?
Gut bladder.
1 for 1. Yep, you're correct on the first one. 1 for 1. It is gallbladder. So you knew that one.
I didn't know. I was just guessing.
That was a guess. It was a confident guess. Yeah, the liver makes bile, stores it in the bladder before it goes into the intestine to break it down and digest fats. And some historians actually think Alexander the Great died from an inflamed gallbladder caused by gallstones. Well done. We're going to turn up the heat a little bit here on question number 2. How many bones are in the human skull? Is it A, 18, B, 22, or C, 24?
The human skull?
Human skull.
C. 24.
22?
Ding, ding, ding. That is 2 for 2. Ding, ding, ding. 2 for 2. It's B, 22. I'm impressed. Okay.
That was a complete guess. Seriously, because I have nothing to do with medicine.
Okay. Last one. What organ gets removed during a acholestectomy? Is it A, the kidneys, B, the gallbladder, or C, colon?
C. The colon.
Gallbladder?
Gallbladder again.
Correct. It is.
I literally didn't say colon.
3 for 3. You got them all right.
Thank you.
Sure, you're not messing up. This is you rattled those off quickly.
Thank you. That was easy because, yeah, that was a guess, but that was easy.
You guys are our first winner of the day. First people we asked, yes.
I forgot there was prizes.
We got a business card. That's our prize.
$50 for you guys. Yeah, of course. Great job. Why don't you guys treat yourself on your vacation because you are our second winner of the day for the Street Smart Challenge.
We just won the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs from Philly.
I am Layla and I won the challenge, the Street Smart Challenge, and thank you so much for Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. These people in Culver City know what they're talking about when it comes to health. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thank you all for watching.